If you're looking to build muscle, the answer is simple: eat protein, and the more, the better. But hold on, that might not be the best advice. The reality is, consuming a large amount of protein can increase the acidity of our blood. Our body needs to maintain a stable pH level in the blood, so to compensate, it starts consuming calcium. Without sufficient calcium intake from food, after a few weeks of this protein onslaught, we end up with a severe calcium deficiency, leading to joint and bone pains, hair loss, dental issues, and an overall decline in physical performance, as calcium is crucial for muscle contraction. So, what's the morale of this story? Recognizing the necessity of protein intake, it's crucial not to overlook the vital role played by minerals in muscle building and overall body fitness. Within this video, I've meticulously gathered essential minerals that contribute significantly to these aspects. Ensure you watch until the end to uncover intriguing and valuable insights. Don't miss out on the comprehensive guide to minerals that can elevate your muscle-building journey and enhance overall physical fitness. Your path to a healthier, stronger body begins with understanding and incorporating these key minerals. Stay tuned for a wealth of knowledge that could transform your fitness routine. But let's dive into the first mineral that is crucial for impressive muscle development and overall physical performance: calcium. As mentioned earlier, calcium is probably the most vital mineral involved in muscle contraction. Without calcium, our muscles wouldn't function properly. It is also essential for building our skeletal structure and plays a significant role in brain function, being a primary fuel for both muscles and the nervous system. Contrary to popular belief that associates calcium solely with bones, it also impacts muscles and brain function. For adults, the recommended daily intake is 1,000 milligrams, or 1 gram. However, most of us fall short of this dosage through regular dietary intake. This is especially crucial for athletes with higher physical demands. Now, where can you get your calcium fix? Dairy products like fermented yogurt, cottage cheese, regular milk, and of course, cheese are excellent sources. Vegetables such as broccoli and greens also contain calcium. But here's the catch: most of us struggle to meet the daily calcium requirement through food alone. Consuming around 100 grams of cheese per day is one of the easiest ways to achieve this. It's more efficient than trying to consume a liter of milk or copious amounts of vegetables. Here's an additional calcium hack. Black sesame seeds are a rich source, and finely ground eggshells mixed with lemon juice also provide calcium. However, caution is needed, as the body can't absorb more than 500 milligrams at once. These unconventional sources offer diverse options for meeting your calcium needs. Incorporating black sesame seeds into your diet or preparing a calcium-rich eggshell concoction with a hint of lemon juice can add a nutritional boost. Just remember to stay within the absorption limits for optimal benefits. These creative alternatives showcase how calcium intake can be both enjoyable and innovative in supporting your overall health and fitness goals. Moving on to the next crucial mineral for athletes: magnesium. Often referred to as the mineral of endurance, magnesium plays a vital role in physical activity. It enhances our ability to endure strenuous exercise, aids in heart health, and significantly contributes to energy production for muscle contraction. Magnesium should be consumed in conjunction with adequate calcium intake for optimal absorption. An adult needs around 400 milligrams of magnesium daily, and active individuals may require up to 800 milligrams. Fortunately, magnesium is abundant in various foods, including whole grains, seeds, nuts, and green leafy vegetables. Here's a fascinating insight. Calcium stimulates, enhancing strength and mood, while magnesium relaxes. It's advisable to prioritize calcium intake in the morning for an energy boost and reserve magnesium for the evening to induce relaxation, potentially enhancing sleep quality. This strategic approach aligns with the stimulating and relaxing effects of these minerals, optimizing their impact throughout the day and night for overall well-being. The third vital mineral for athletes is zinc, playing a pivotal role in muscle building, protein synthesis, immune system reinforcement, and brain function. Beyond its impact on athletic performance, zinc is known for fortifying bones and is a beauty booster, fostering healthier nails, hair, and skin. Its multifaceted contributions make it indispensable for overall well-being, making it a key component in enhancing physical prowess and aesthetic attributes. Incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet, such as beans, barley, beef, and oysters, can provide essential support for athletes aiming to optimize their muscle development and overall health. The daily recommended zinc dosage varies, ranging from 12 to 40 milligrams according to different sources. Active individuals are advised to target the higher end of this spectrum. Excellent sources of zinc include beans, barley, beef, and notably, oysters. It's crucial for those engaged in regular physical activity to ensure adequate zinc intake to support muscle building, protein synthesis, and immune function. Incorporating zinc-rich foods into one's diet can contribute significantly to overall health and performance. Considerations for optimal zinc levels are vital, emphasizing a balanced approach to nutrition for individuals pursuing an active lifestyle. Pumpkin seeds are a highly underrated source of zinc, boasting exceptional nutritional value. Packed with this essential mineral, they contribute to muscle building, protein synthesis, and overall immune system support. Don't overlook these tiny powerhouses. Their diverse benefits make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet, promoting both physical and immune health. In conclusion, prioritizing the intake of vital vitamins and minerals from natural food sources is ideal. Nonetheless, if dietary sources prove insufficient, turning to supplements becomes a viable option. Share your personal experiences and preferences in the comments, whether you lean towards embracing the goodness of natural foods or find supplements to be a convenient solution. Your insights contribute to a broader understanding of nutritional choices. So, do you gravitate towards the wholesome goodness of natural foods, or do you find supplements to be a practical addition to your dietary regimen? Feel free to join the conversation and let us know your thoughts. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next one on essential vitamins for muscle growth. See you soon.